Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your lecture. Now, students, in the last lecture, we starts our new chapter. That is the chapter number 6. Okay. Now, the name of the chapter is Food and Nutrition. Clear? Food. I explained you in the chapter number 5. I explained you na in the chapter number 5. I explain you means food, what are the source of food, plants and animals, and that chapter I explain you about the whatever we get from the plants, means food, the major source of food is plants. The human beings use all parts of the different types of plants. Okay, means we eat some roots of some plants, we eat stem of some plants. Okay, we eat fruits of some plants, leaf of some plants, means we use all parts of the different types of plants. Okay, now why we need food, हमें खाना क्यों खाना चाहिए? बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू सर्वाइव ऑन द अर्थ, मतलब हमें जिंदा रहना है. सो द फूड गिव अस एनर्जी, मीन्स आवर बॉडी रिक्वायर्ड सर्वाइव मीन्स जिंदा रहने के लिए. ओके, तो आवर बॉडी नीड एनर्जी. तो हाउ वी गेट दैट एनर्जी? थ्रू द फूड. ओके, सो वी नीड फूड. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट the food whatever we get from the plants, so they are the different they give the different types of nutrients. Means whatever we have, so that food item have different kinds of nutrients. Okay, now you ask me what is the nutrients. Okay, the nutrients are the substances, those are present in the food items. Okay, clear? And different types of food items give us different types of nutrients. Okay, clear? And we give them name. Clear? Means we get grain from the plants, grains. Okay, so that grains give us carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates means food grains. Not that food grains means we prepare different types of dishes na, or different kinds of food items. Means through the wheat we prepare chapati, bread. Okay, and some other dishes also. So that dishes or that food item give us carbohydrate. Okay, means rice, maize. So your mummy prepare different types of dishes na. So that means we prepare that dishes through the cereals or food grains. So that food items give us carbohydrate. Okay, and we also give the name of another name of this carbohydrate also. These are the energy giving food. Okay, energy giving food. Now you again ask me, ma'am, why we give them name energy giving food? You again ask me na कि why we give the name energy giving food? Because these food items give us energy. Means we have a body. If you want to walk, if you want to play, if you want to read, if you want to ride a bicycle, if you want to play, okay, if you want to study, so your body need energy. Okay, your mind also need energy. Clear? So these food items give our body to energy. Okay, and whatever we have, those food items give us carbohydrate, we have them, हम उन्हें खाते हैं. Okay, so that food item give the energy to our body. Okay, if you have proper diet, means if you take proper carbohydrates in your diet, अगर आप properly carbohydrates के food items खाते हो तो your body get energy and function properly. Okay, you don't become tired after the playing if you have proper carbohydrate diet. Okay, clear? means अगर आप carbohydrate properly लेते हो तो आप कोई भी काम करने के बाद थकोगे नहीं. Clear? when you ride the bicycle, when you play any game, those are related to running or walking. So if you have proper carbohydrate, so you don't become tired. Clear? Now this I also explain you about the food items, potato, sugar. Now we also divide them in the two categories, sweet and starch. Okay, means those are the sweet things. जो भी हम मीठा खाते हैं तो that get us, we get carbohydrate, हमें उससे carbohydrate मिलता है. Now the starch already present in the grains. The color of the starch is white. Okay, जो हमें आटा, हम लोग जो गेहूँ पिसवाते हैं उसमें जो फ्लोर होता है उसका कलर कैसा होता है? What is the color of flour? White. That is the starch. Okay. Now if you boil the rice, अगर आप चावलों को उबालते हो तो we get white water in that rice. That is the starch. Okay, if you boil the water not in the cooker, आप किसी पतीली में उसको गर्म करोगे तो उसमें ऊपर क्या जमेगा? पहले white, तो that is the starch. Okay, clear? Now so we divide them in the two categories. Clear, student? Now the carbohydrate I also explained you in the last lecture. Now, and I also explained you about the 7 types of nutrients. First is carbohydrate, second is protein, third is fats, fourth one is vitamins, sixth one is minerals, seventh one is water. Okay, and also one thing is also roughage, dietary fibers. We also give them dietary fibers. Okay, now in this chapter I explain you about the how the nutrients functioning for our body, why our body require nutrients. Okay, and what are the function of that nutrient, means what is the we in the simple way we say we get carbohydrate from the food, we get vitamins from the food, we get means fruits and vegetables, minerals and vitamins we get from the fruits and vegetables. So in the simple way we say we get carbohydrate, protein, minerals from the food items, but how they functioning for our body or how we get that nutrient from the food item, so we will discuss about them in this chapter. Okay, now the second types of nutrients is protein. Now student, see the page number 34. Okay, which page number? 34. This thing means proteins given in the page number 34. Now the protein, how we get protein? In the 5th chapter I explain you na, we get protein from the pulses. Okay, pulses. And which types of people need more protein? Now you are the kids. Okay, your body required more protein. Why? Because you are in the growing stage. अभी आप बढ़ रहे हो. Okay, now you are in the growing stage. Your mental ability also growing, your body also grow. Okay, so you required more protein. Clear? So we give them name. Another name of the protein is bodybuilding food. Clear? We give them name. The proteins are the bodybuilding food. Okay? Clear? Now, how we get protein? Through the pulses. Pulses are the rich source of protein. Okay? Pulses means, I explain you, moong, arhar, masoor, urad. Okay? Now, next is peas. This is the grain. Okay? If we divide them, we get pulses, peas, matar. Okay? Now, after that milk, not only one glass of milk product. Now, what is the meaning of milk product? Again you ask me, ma'am, what is the meaning of milk product? You say the one glass of milk give us protein. Okay, it is correct. Milk give us protein. Our body required protein. So if you have one glass of milk daily, okay, so you get protein from that milk. But I am writing here product. What is the meaning of product? Through the milk we make so many things. Okay, so many food items. Means ghee. Okay, how your mummy prepare ghee? Mummy collect the malai. Mummy malai इकट्ठी करती ना दूध की, and boil them and we get ghee. Okay, now second, cheese. How we should prepare cheese? Through the milk. Paneer. Okay, paneer. How you get paneer? Through the milk. Okay, we should prepare paneer by the milk. Now cheese, curd, dahi खाते हो ना? How you prepare curd? Through the milk. Means source is one, milk. Through the milk we make milk product. Sweets, मिठाई कैसे बनती है? Through the milk. Okay, तो means all types of milk product give us protein. Okay, and also the milk is give us calcium also. It make our muscle bones strong. Okay, clear? The milk is a complete food. Okay, milk is a complete food, means it give us all types of nutrients. Clear? Milk is a complete food. We get protein, carbohydrates, minerals, okay, vitamins, this thing. So we say the milk is a complete food. Okay, clear? Now next is pulses. All types of pulses, peas, milk product. Clear? Now after that, eggs. Eggs are the rich source of protein. In the breakfast, if you have bread, अगर आप bread खाते plus omelette और 1 glass of milk, तो it completes your all types of nutrients. Okay, milk already give you all types of nutrients. Bread doing the work for the carbohydrates. Okay, clear? Now after that, fish. fish are the rich source of protein. Those are the non-vegetarian people. They have it. इसको खाते हैं. Okay. Now meat. Meat of all types of animals. Chicken, goat. Okay. So if the people have it, they get protein. Okay. Now the most and important work of the protein is it make our skin shiny. Okay. अगर आप प्रॉपर प्रोटीन लेते हो अपनी डाइट में, इफ यू हैव प्रॉपर प्रोटीन इन योर डाइट, ओके, तो योर बॉडी और योर स्किन ग्लोइंग, आपकी स्किन ग्लो करेगी बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड द नरिशमेंट टू आवर बॉडी, ओके, एंड ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द ऑयल. सो दोज आर द नॉन वेजिटेरियन पीपल, देयर बॉडी शाइन, उन लोगों की बॉडी ज़्यादा शाइन करती है, ओके, एंड देयर स्किन बिकम शाइनियर एंड नॉट फेयर, गोरा नहीं बनाती है बट शाइन करती है उनकी बॉडी, ओके, बिकॉज देयर बॉडी गेट मोर नरिशमेंट, स्किन को ज़्यादा नरिशमेंट मिलता है, ओके, बिकॉज दीज फूड आइटम्स यूज द ऑयल और फैट्स to our body. Okay, clear? So these are the function of the protein. Protein is the body building food. It makes our body strong. Now which types of people require more protein? Those are the athletes. Okay, जो athletes होते हैं, जो players होते हैं, उनको ज़्यादा प्रोटीन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. And those are the growing, the small kids, those are in the growing stage, जो बढ़ने की उम्र है जिनकी, तो दे रिक्वायर्ड मोर प्रोटीन. ओके, नाउ द सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन इज पल्सेस, पीस, मिल्क प्रोडक्ट, ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ मिल्क प्रोडक्ट गिव अस प्रोटीन. नाउ एग्स आर द रिच सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. फिश, मीट, दिस फूड आइटम आर द रिच सोर्स ऑफ, रिच इन protein. Okay, clear? We discussed only two nutrients. First, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the energy giving food items. Now protein are the body building food. Why we say them body building food? Because it make our body strong, muscles को energy देते हैं, so our body becomes strong and also help us to grow. Okay, and which types of people require more protein? Those are in the growing stage, means small kids, and those are the athletes. Okay, now the next nutrient. The next nutrient is the next nutrients is, but before that we once again read the protein that is given in the page number 34. Okay, put your finger on the protein heading, also given protein. Proteins are also called body building foods. Okay, I explain you about them because they help our body to grow, means you are the small kids, you require more protein. Okay, growing children need lots of protein. Okay, means in the, I explain you this line, in the nursery class what is your height? Now you are in the 4th class ना, तो see your height, आप उतने ही बड़े हो? No, you are growing ना, you are increasing in your height, आप अपनी हाइट में बड़े हुए हो ना. ओके, तो these are the function of the protein. Okay, now protein also help in repairing worn out cells. Okay, means आपको कहीं चोट लगती है तो वहाँ उस वाले पोर्शन को रिपेयरिंग का काम भी करता है. पल्सेस, मिल्क, एग्स, बीन्स, पीस, फिश, मीट्स etc. are rich in protein. Okay, I explain you about them. These food items rich in protein. Okay, Now the next is fats. See the students, this thing given in the page number 34, you also open your book and read the facts. Okay, once again we read it, that paragraph, and after that I explain you. Okay, fats provide us more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, if we compare them, clear? These are also energy giving food. Fats are also energy giving foods. Okay, fats are stored in our body and keep us warm. We should take fats in a limited quantity as they make us of oil, ghee, butter, cream, cheese, etc. are the some sources of fats. Fats are also energy giving food, and these food means fats are more energetic. These food items are more energetic compared to carbohydrates. Okay, fats give us more energy compared to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also energy giving food. Now if we compare them, fats and other carbohydrates, to carbohydrates, so the fats provide us more energy. Okay, but we should take them in the little amount. Clear? Daily you have 3-4 chapatis, rice, okay, and other food item also, those are give us carbohydrate. But can you drink 1 glass of ghee daily? क्या आप 1 गिलास घी रोज पी सकते हो? Tell me. Means if you take if you have fats, okay, fats, which item give us fats? I explain you about this. That is ghee, okay, butter, cream, okay, cheese, now I explain you first line. Fats provide us more energy than carbohydrate. How you compare them? Now in Delhi, you have in the morning or in the lunch, you have 3 chapatis, 3 roti खाते हो, okay, 4 रोटी भी खा लेता है कोई कोई. Now in the breakfast you have bread or cornflakes, ये चीज़ें भी आप खा लेते हो, okay, but that food items give you less energy, कम energy देगा. But if you have little amount of fats, okay, we don't take so much fats, okay, why? Because हमारी बॉडी इसको ज़्यादा डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकती, and our body also collect them in these fats, okay, why? Because we need energy and we also keep our body warm, okay, हम हमारी बॉडी को गर्मी भी रखते हैं, हमारी बॉडी में टेम्परेचर होता है ना, okay, so these food are these fats collected in our inside of our body. Clear? Now these food give us more energy. How we explain them? In the daily routine we have, means if we count the chapatis are carbohydrate, तो हम सुबह भी रोटी खाते हैं, शाम को भी रोटी खाते हैं, राइस खाते हैं, ओके, प्रोटीन ऑल्सो, दाल खाते हैं, ओके. तो these food item give us energy and make our body strong. Those are give us protein. But if we have little amount of fats, so these food give us more energy compared to carbohydrate, okay, and we also give them name energy giving food. But these food items give us more energy. क्या आप एक गिलास घी पी सकते हो डेली? नहीं. अगर इतना घी पिएंगे तो उसको हम कैसे डाइजेस्ट करेंगे? बिकॉज आवर बॉडी टेक सम टाइम टू डाइजेस्ट देम, सो वी टेक लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ घी. बटर आप एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते. वी शुड यूज द बटर इन द फूड आइटम, ओके, लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ बटर. क्रीम भी हम ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. चीज़ का 2 या 3 स्लाइस खा सकते हैं, 4 स्लाइस खा लोगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते. वाई? बिकॉज these food items take to more time for the digestion, okay, and also collect inside of our body, okay, clear? So these food items give more energy to our body compared to carbohydrate. means चपाती, चावल, हम जो कॉर्नफ्लेक्स खाते हैं उसके कंपैरिजन में ये फूड आइटम हमें ज़्यादा एनर्जी देंगे. बट वी शुड टेक लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ दिस फूड आइटम. इसे हम ज़्यादा नहीं ले सकते, ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते. आप 1 चम्मच घी पी सकते हो, 2 चम्मच पी सकते हो. बटर आप 1 स्पून, 2 स्पून, 3 स्पून खा सकते हो, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते 1 टाइम में, ओके. बट इट गिव्स मोर एनर्जी कंपेयर टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट. आई एक्सप्लेन यू. आप 6 रोटी, 5, 6, 7 रोटी खा सकते हो दिन भर में, ओके. और अगर आप उसी के कंपैरिजन में अगर 4-6 चम्मच घी खा लोगे तो ये आपको ज़्यादा एनर्जी देगा. घी, बटर भी खाओगे, बस आप ये चीज़ें खाओगे साथ में, तो ये आपको ज़्यादा एनर्जी देगा, ओके, क्लियर? नाउ वंस अगेन आई रीड फॉर यू दिस पैराग्राफ. Fats provide us more energy than carbohydrates. I explain you about them. Compared to 6 to 7 chapati, if you should take 3 or 4 spoon ghee, so it gives you more energy, okay. These are also energy giving food. We also give them name, means fats are the energy giving food, okay. Fats are stored in our body and keeps us warm. means if you have them, so it is stored in your body, okay, and these food products keeps your body warm. So in the winter season में क्या करते हैं? आपकी मम्मी क्या बनाती है? लड्डू बनाती है ना. she used dry fruits and so much ghee and also sometimes some flour of the pulses. कुछ दालों का आटा भी मिलाते हैं, okay, and so much ghee in there, and you have that laddu in only winter season. आप गर्मियों में उसको नहीं खा सकते बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी ओवरहीट हो जाएगी, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी महसूस होगी. इन द विंटर सीजन इफ़ यू हैव देम, तो योर बॉडी बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड योर बॉडी ऑल्सो मेंटेन द टेम्परेचर. बिकॉज बाहर का टेम्परेचर भी ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है तो हमारी बॉडी अपने आप कूल रहती है, तो हम उस समय में इन चीज़ों को ज़्यादा खाते हैं. घी से बनी हुई चीज़ें, हलवा भी बनाती है मम्मी बहुत ज़्यादा, ओके. इन द विंटर सीजन वी हैव देम, क्लियर? एंड दीज फूड आइटम आर बॉडी स्टोर दैट टाइम. हमारी बॉडी उसको स्टोर करके रखती है, एक साथ डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है उसको. फैट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फैट्स, हमारी बॉडी में भी फैट्स होता है, तो आर बॉडी कलेक्ट दैट फैट्स इन इनसाइड आर बॉडी, ओके. एंड थ्रू दैट आर ऑल द बॉडी पार्ट्स फंक्शनिंग, ओके. कहते हैं ना, जो हम ठंड में जो खाते हैं वो हमें पूरे साल भर पूर जाता है हमारी बॉडी को. अगर आपने ठंडी के दिनों में बहुत ज़्यादा घी, ड्राई फ्रूट्स और ये खाएं तो आपको साल भर आपका बहुत अच्छा निकल जाता है। क्लियर? क्योंकि ये जो हमारी बॉडी में कलेक्ट होता है, जाके इकट्ठा होता है और उसी के थ्रू हमारी बॉडी फंक्शन करती रहती है पूरे साल। ओके ना, तो दीज आर द फैट्स, दिस इज द थर्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स। क्लियर? This is the third nutrients and we also give them name. This is the energy giving food. Okay, fats are the energy giving food. Now in the same way we discuss about the cheese, butter, ghee. These are the milk product and we get this milk product from the animals. In the same way we get fats from the plants. We discussed in the 5th chapter na, oil. We get oil from the seeds. Okay, sesame, soybean, groundnut oil, sunflower oil. Okay, so these foods also the source of fats. Okay, coconut oil, if you have coconut, if you have dry fruits, almond, cashew, resin, so these are the rich source of fats. Okay, clear? Understand what I say you about the nutrients? Means if we have these food items so we get fats. Clear? And the fats are the energy giving food, means these food items give energy to our body. Clear? Now the 4th number, vitamins. And vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. What are the rich source of vitamins and minerals? Plant product. Okay, means fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are the rich source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, student, first we read that paragraph. Put your finger on the vitamins and minerals. Okay, this. Vitamins and minerals. Put your finger on the first line and some picture also given. I am only writing here name of the food item, but in the book the pictures also given. Okay. Now put your finger on the first line, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help us to fight against diseases. Okay. Now when we become ill or if you are suffering from any types of disease, that time doctor advise you have lots of fruits, means आप ज़्यादा फल ज़्यादा खाओ, you have juice, आप juice ज़्यादा पियो. Why the doctor say this word? And एक चीज़ और बोलते ना कि एक एप्पल रोज खाएंगे तो बीमारी हमसे दूर रहेगी. Why? If you have one apple daily in the morning or any time, full, don't cut them. एक एप्पल रोज खाएंगे. Why? The doctor say these word or people say these word कि एक एप्पल रोज खाओगे तो बीमारी को दूर भगाओगे. Why? Because this is the fruit and rich source of minerals and vitamins. Clear? So if our body get proper vitamins and minerals, so any diseases not affect our body. Okay, clear? Now once again first line, vitamins and minerals help us to fight against diseases and keep us healthy and strong. If any disease not affect our body, तो we should become healthy and strong. Okay, अगर हम बीमार हो जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है ना. Okay, they help us to have good vision. They help us to have good vision, healthy teeth, strong bones and glowing skin. Okay. they are also called protective foods. Okay, we give them name. These are the protective food. Why we give them name protective food? Because they are doing work for our body. They attack the diseases on the diseases. Okay, if our body become ill, अगर हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, or any disease you have, अगर आपको कोई बीमारी होती है, तो they should fight against to that virus or that germs. Clear? So we give them name protective food, means they protect our body. Clear? Now if we have them properly, अगर हम proper, if we include them in our diet. Clear? If we have vegetables, if we have fruits in our daily diet, so they thing protect our body from the diseases. Okay, clear? So if the diseases not affect our body, so automatically we should become strong and healthy. Clear? And this is true, ये सही है ना? अगर बीमारी नहीं होगी तो हमें हमारी बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रांग हो जाएगी. क्लियर? नाउ सो तो दे हेल्प अस टू हैव गुड विजन, मीन्स दे आर वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर आवर आईज. ओके, vitamins and minerals. Now make our teeth strong, bones and our body also glowing. हमारी बॉडी भी ग्लो करेगी. Okay, because we get nutrients from the that food items. Now next, they are also called protective foods. The main minerals required by our body are iron, calcium, sodium and potassium. Food rich in vitamins and minerals are green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk and eggs. Okay, now how we get vitamins and minerals? Through the some name also given here, name of the vitamins and minerals. Iron, next calcium, sodium, and potassium. Okay student, these are the name of the minerals: iron, calcium, sodium and potassium. And our body required them, हमें इनकी जरूरत पड़ती है. Iron, it present in our blood. Okay, calcium present in our bones. What is the color of your bones? White. हड्डी का रंग कैसा होता है? सफेद होता है ना. तो our bones मेकिंग बाय द कैल्शियम, हमारी किससे बनी होती है? कैल्शियम से बनी होती है. सोडियम, दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, और इसका बैलेंस बिगड़ता है तो ब्लड प्रेशर की समस्या हो जाती है. क्लियर? पोटेशियम, दिस इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड आवर बॉडी. क्लियर? ना तो दीज आर द प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. If you don't have properly vitamins and minerals, so your body become weak and not able to fight the diseases. Any disease, okay, affect your body quickly. आपकी बॉडी को बहुत जल्दी कोई भी बीमारी पकड़ लेगी. If you have proper vitamins and minerals in your diet, you should become strong. Your body becomes strong and fight against the diseases. Okay, clear? So the vitamins and minerals are the protective food. Clear? Why we give them name protective food? Because these food items protect our body from the diseases and make our body strong and glowing. These food items make our teeth strong, help our body to grow, help us to good vision, देखने में हमारी आँख, protect our eyes, means each and these food item protect our each and every part of our body, now internal organ also. Okay, if we have proper protective food, so our body function properly. Clear? And we get quick energy and our body fight against two diseases. Clear? Now this is the name of the minerals, those are present in our body. Iron, calcium, iron present in our blood, calcium it make our bones. Now sodium also present inside of our body. Now the potassium also. Okay, these two things functioning for our brains, sodium. Okay, clear? Now once again I read for you that paragraph. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help us to fight against diseases, to keep us healthy and strong. They help us to good vision, healthy teeth, strong bones and glowing skin. Okay, if you see if your mummy apply anything on your face, आपकी मम्मी फेस पैक लगाती है ना. ओके, समटाइम्स योर मम्मी यूज़ टोमेटो, कभी कभी टोमेटो यूज़ करती है ना मम्मी, टमाटर डाल के लगाती है ना. मलाई लगाती है. वाई? बिकॉज दिस थिंग हेल्प अस टू देयर स्किन ग्लो, स्किन को ग्लो करती है ना ये चीज़ें. तो योर मम्मी अप्लाई ऑन देयर फेस. ओके, सोचो बाहर से लगा के इतना होता है, तो इफ़ यू हैव देम, आप उसको खाओगे तो कितना फ़ायदा होगा. सो किड्स, यू आर ऑन द ग्रोइंग स्टेज, तो आप फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स बहुत सारी खानी चाहिए. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ द रफेज, नेक्स्ट थिंग गिवन इन द रफेज. ओके, roughage refer to the fibers present in the food. First we read the chapter. Okay, roughage refers to the fibers present in the food. It is not digested with the food but helps in easy bowel movement and keeps the constipations away. We should eat raw vegetables and fruits to get the roughage. Okay, roughage are the dietary fibers. I explained you in the last lecture that help our body to digest the food, means they are functioning for our stomach. Okay, see some pictures given: carrot, radish, cucumber, mango, pear, apple and banana. Some fruits given, but see the carrot, radish, cucumber, mango, we have them raw, हम इन्हें कच्चा ही खाते हैं. We not cook them. So we directly have them in the form of salad. सलाद में खाते हैं ना. Okay, radish, carrot, cucumber. Okay, so these are functioning for our stomach, हमारे टमी के लिए काम करते हैं. They help us to digest the food item, whatever you have, आप जो भी खाते हो, तो they help your body. Clear? In the mess, if you have lunch in the mess, आप mess में, तो mess provide you salad ना, cucumber, sometimes some sprouts, different types of salad provide you. Why? Because they give us roughage, means they rich, they are rich in the dietary fibers. That fibers help our stomach to digest the food. Okay, now some foods also given, fruits also given, apple, pear, banana and mango, but we don't have fruits with the lunch or dinner. After the 10 minute or 15 minute we have them, हम उन्हें खा सकते हैं. Okay, इफ़ वी कहते हैं ना कि खाना खाने के 10-15 मिनट के बाद में फल खाना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज दे प्रोवाइड अस रफेज एंड डेट रफेज help us to digest the food. Okay students, so now quickly we revise the things and I finish my lecture. After that, today we will discuss about the proteins. Now after that, vitamins and minerals and fats and roughage. Okay, what are the sources of that thing? We discuss about them. Now student, I finish my lecture here. Now in the again I revise this thing you in the next lecture, and you have to read the page number 33 and 34 at home again and again, and if you have any confusion, make a call to me. Now I finish my lecture here. Have a nice day. Bye bye.